Invading Russian forces have been in a panic in Kherson Oblast for the past few days, local political scientist Vladimir Molchanov told Radio NV. There has been panic in the city of Kherson for several days, he said. This is due to the fact that the Russians realize that their positions are known. The Ukrainian armed forces have stopped saving shells. Kherson can be hit even with artillery guns. They're in range. The Russians left their permanent bases where they had been comfortably settled. And now they're traveling from place to place, changing locations. But since there are a lot of them, they have to stop somewhere anyway. Death from the sky, which is waiting for them, won't bypass them. Molchanov also talked about the tactics of the Russians. In general, they don't use any military unit, brigade level and above, at one front sector, he said. Everything is scattered and mixed. Therefore, they're trying to chaotically maneuver with the reserves, but they'll fail doing this now. According to the US Department of Defense, Ukrainian forces have liberated several settlements in the country's south over the past few days. As reported earlier, a group of invading Russian forces in the south of Ukraine has been videoed raising the white flag and surrendering. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky on September 4th confirmed that Ukrainian defenders had liberated a settlement in Donetsk Oblast and another two in the south. Prior to that, a video was released of the Ukrainian flag above the hospital in the village of Visokopilya in Kherson Oblast, which had been occupied by the Russian invaders since March 13th. Oleksiy Arestovich, the advisor of the president's office, confirmed that the armed forces of Ukraine had also liberated the village of Olhin in Kherson Oblast. Meantime, Ukraine appears to have surprised Russia this week with a series of counterattacks in the northeast of the country, with military strategists saying Kiev is likely to have taken advantage of a recent redeployment of Russian troops to defend against a counteroffensive in the south. President Volodymyr Zelensky confirmed the counterattack took place Wednesday, saying in his nightly address that "We have good news from the Kharkiv region," as he announced that several settlements had been retaken without giving further details. Now is not the time to name the towns where the Ukrainian flag is returning, he said, presumably as Ukraine aims to maintain a strategic military advantage. He added that each success of our military in one direction or another changes the general situation along the entire front in favor of Ukraine.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.